In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between Samsung messaging app and Google messaging app. So if you open the messaging app on your Samsung phone just like this, it should say set default SMS app. And if you go ahead to open the Samsung messaging app on your phone like this, just come here and search for messages. Then open the Samsung message. You see this is going to open. If you go ahead to open the message app again, then you'll be prompted to set as default. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set Google Message as default, as well as how you can easily set Samsung Messages app as default. Now, if you like this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to set your Google Messaging app as default on Samsung Galaxy phone, just open the Google Messaging app just like this. Then you should see a pop-up that says set default SMS app. Then here you can see I have the Samsung messaging apps that's default, choose the Google. Then do not click don't ask again, because if you choose don't ask again, you need to go to your Samsung phone settings to disable this feature. Then click on set as default. Then instantly you should see all your messages opens in the Google messaging app like this. Now to set your Samsung messaging app as default, all you need to do again is search for the messaging app on your phone, message. Then locate the Samsung messaging app list, click on that. Then you should see what that says Google Messages is now your default messaging app. Then you can easily continue with Samsung, that is Samsung messaging app, Google messaging app. Then go ahead and click on continue with Samsung messaging app. Then you should see a pop-up that says set messages as default SMS app on your Samsung phone. Go ahead and select the Samsung Messages app. Go ahead and tap set as default. Once you click set as default, Samsung phone messaging app will be set as default on your device. And if you open the Google Messages app again, you'll be prompted to set as default. So this is how you can easily switch between the Google Messages app and then the Samsung Messages app to set them as default on your Samsung phone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.